Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. This photograph shows a group of people in front of the Don Bosco Technical School in the city of Meghalaya in the Tigray region. In particular, the moment of the inauguration of the building is portrayed. The event is documented since on the back of the photo we clearly read, Inauguration of the Don Bosco Technical School. This document, together with other images, is part of a typed letter in Italian from the Salesian community of Meghalaya dated 15 August 1979. The letter also expresses gratitude for the help received to start the Salesian presence in Ethiopia. Furthermore, the Salesian who writes, in addition to reporting the inauguration of the school, exposes other concrete projects such as those concerning agricultural schools, wells and aqueducts for water, construction of houses for the poor, and many others. The annual meeting of school principals in Shillong, which took place from 5th to 7th of February at the Don Bosco School in Agartala, involving 40 participants from Salesian schools in the Indian states of Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Silchar, recently concluded. The event was also attended by the Superior of the Province of India, Shillong, Father Paul O. Lincoln, the appointed Provincial and current Vice Provincial, Father John Zosiama, the Provincial Economer, Father James Thirnyang, other members of the Council, and two sisters of the Visitation of Don Bosco, VSDB, from the small town of Bishramganj. The meeting opened with an address by Father Babu Stephen, Head of Education and Culture in Shillong Province, who welcomed all the participants and thanked them for their presence. From 7th to 10th of February, the World Formation Council, convened by Father Ivo Collio, General Councillor for Formation, is held in Genzano di Roma to verify the progress of the sector since the last General Chapter to date. The 7 regional formation coordinators and the heads of the regional centers for ongoing formation present in Nairobi, Quito and Bangalore are taking part. The participants are discussing the 6-year planning of the Rector Major and his council following the 28th General Chapter, the challenges posed by artificial intelligence to initial and ongoing formation paths, and the verification of the processes initiated by the sector in this sexennium. Coming from the northeast of Brazil, where he had celebrated the feast of Don Bosco and paid tribute to the servant of God, Father Cicero Roma Batista, whom he proclaimed a Salesian cooperator, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, landed on Wednesday, 7th February 2024 in Santo Domingo to carry out an animation visit to the Salesians of the St. John Bosco province of the Antilles. After first being welcomed at the airport and being accommodated at the provincial house, Cardinal Fernandez Artime met with Father Jos Pastor Ramirez, Superior of ANT, and his council for an all-round dialogue on the strengths and challenges of the province and on the path of the congregation. On the occasion of the 20th anniversary of the Don Bosco School, a festive celebration was organized on Wednesday, 31st January at the premises of the Don Bosco Center in Khuborjylla. Don Bosco School is a private educational institution founded by the Salesians in Khuborjylla, which carries out educational work through the organization of courses. The main activity is the organization of foreign language courses, English, German, Italian and Spanish, a basic computer course and the basics of graphic design. Since 2008, the school has been conducting its work in accordance with the license it received from the Ministry of Education, Science, Culture and Sports. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.